So hey, what's up guys, how are you? So I'm just recording. I'm not taking another class. I'm just let's do that. So in that class we just gonna learn how to style, how to make a design with any kind of word. So that's a really fun class, and I really know that learning is difficult. It's true thing, but stay with me. So if you learn it, that really helpful. So it's really helpful. So now if you wanna own your must design, your own design, so that's really why you hire another people and go another. So if you learn your own thing, so learning is really asset for you. So this is the thought. If you learn anything, this will asset until you're dead. So this really essential. So so in here I'm just gonna break some code in here. You see that this and you see this infinity and how they typography and how do they do this design, right? So that's really simple. I think it's simple, but it's not simple for you, I think. So let's choose a font style like that. So let's see, I have this font available or not. Hustle. So I don't have any exact font, but I'm trying to just break the. I'm just gonna show you how to just do that. Okay, so like this, for example, see, you just make it color, infinity's color same. They use gradient, and I'm not using gradient at this moment because I'm not introduce you about gradient. So let's try it. So don't focus on use gradient, because after some class I just discuss about gradient, how to use any gradient. Then I'm just gonna show you another thing. So this this really important, and give me lot subscribe for that, because this really important. So you see that this is a now text mode, right? This is text mode. You can't select anything, you can't get anything, and how to make any text in vector, right? So this is really common question. So now I'm just going to answer your question. So this is a text format, right? Then just select this select your select your text, and then press the right button, then create outline. What again I told that, just select, then create outline. Right click your right button, obviously click your right button on your mouse, then is create outline, then ungroup it. And I told you how to group and how to ungroup. Don't say that how they do that. So please focus on class. So you see that this is now vector mode. You can change any kind of shape, any kind of thought in here. So that's really easy. So that's the boom. So you can change anything like this. This is now vector. This is now vector. So you can change any kind of shape in here. So isn't cool? So okay, you learn a lot thing. Now give me $20. Okay, I'm just fun about it. Okay, this is that how you just make any kind of text in a vector mode. Okay, this here I just got this shape. Okay, now you understand why I learned, why I teach you how to make it front and how to make it back. So in here you see this, in here some object yellows and some object white, right? So I'm not using Pathfinder, so there's some cool option. Yeah, in some class you just gonna learn how to use it, but I'm not using text type tools. So let's make it simple together, because I'm not still yet taking the class. So just Ctrl C, Ctrl F, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl F, paste. So that's how I'm just paste F, then just use this eraser tool. And I'm telling it, when you do professionally, there's a Pathfinder option, but we have not taken a class in Pathfinder, so that's why I'm not using these tools. So that I'm just easily and simply just remove this part. Just remove it. Okay, then you have this word, right, this hustle. Okay, then press this create outline, then it create outline, Control C copy, Control F paste, again Control C, Control F, Control CTRL plus F. So you are learning my from this. I just wanna just every single person learn it. So it doesn't matter you don't know anything, you don't know, even if you don't touch your your mouse in few, so you can learn it. So I'm just gonna make it easily. Control C copy, Control C F paste. So that how you just Control C, Control F. So you just copy and just it will be copy on your front. Then make this color black, then just put this stroke color, just make it bolder. I think 70 will work. Object, am I then and bring to front, because this really help you. You see that I'm just gonna take you for the visibility. You can work in here, this area. This area. So in here we have this, just object expand, then expand appearance. And I'm really obviously just let's describe what is expand and expand appearance. And I think in first class I just gonna tell you how to expand and how to expand appearance, but I'm just gonna tell you again. So this is the this is now fill mode, right? Stroke mode, I'm sorry about that, stroke mode. So how to make it fill? Or then object expand appearance, first expand appearance, then object expand. So when you do that expand, it will be fill mode, right? So then just click this part, you wanna edit or just fix it. Okay, then you learn how to expand and expand appearance. So if that's really important, just remind that. Then go to when you just you have this stroke mode, so you want to make it fill mode, right? So then object appearance, then expand, object expand appearance, expand. So it will be what two times, expand appearance and expand. So this make you easier. So then it I make it just take this green take this blue part, take this yak my English, just blue part front, and then again I just select all of them, Control C copy, Control F paste. A simple thought, Control C copy, Control F paste. Then I just make it white, all of them. You see that? Then send to back. You see this white effect. I just take this white effect, and then you same do thing, Control C, Control F, then just make this color and just put a stroke color. Don't do nothing, just Control C, Control F. sorry, all that. Control C.